Good day everyone, my name is Arsalan and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys are good. I hope everything is nice and everything is going good, and I hope you're safe in the conflict that is going on. So anyways, today we have another facade video, an interesting facade video. Look at all these different videos that I've previously done. I hope you watch them again and you learn something from my workflow. Anyways, I am in love with Revit facades. They are so much fun, and there's so many things that you can learn from Revit. So the first thing is always the meters. Let's quickly change this to meters, and the size in this case, although it can be according to what you want. In my case, let's go to 1.5 by 1.5 now. Excuse me. There are a total of three different points that we are going to place, and I'm going to talk, but I'm going to try to increase my speed because these videos, they can kind of get boring, right, if they're so long, and everything is being done slowly, so they kind of get boring, so usually people would skip. So I'm trying to do everything in less amount of time. So anyways, we connect all of these points. Let's go to reference lines. Now we have converted that into reference lines. Now reference and the lines and the set, and we need a line right here. So top and 2 meters. Okay, so everything is good, right? All right, so now once we make the reference line, we have to click it, and how about we click this point right here, and a lock is going to appear. We want to lock this reference line into this reference line. All right, so we want to lock both of them onto one another. And why we want to lock them? Because we want to make this angle parametric. For example, if we go to angular simply and we click on this, we go to that is a 90 degrees. Now it disappeared. Angular 90. Okay, why did it disappear? Anyways, now when you click on this, we have to convert this into a parameter. So angle, and there's only excuse me, one main angle, right? So angle main and instance, and now excuse me, if we go to that, if we change this to, for example, 45. So check this out. We have converted our shape into a parametric one, and the reason we locked it, because if we, for example, would not have locked our line, then they wouldn't have there wouldn't be an attachment between both of them. All right, although I can show you that, but it's gonna extend the video. But just make sure that you lock both of these lines. All right, you lock the lines, and 90, so everything is perfect, right? Now reference, and let's go for polygons. And guys, instead of using circles and rectangles, always use polygons and change the number of sides. All right, they're so much easy. I mean, they're easy to work with. And tab, so we have selected that. Let's go to that, and let's go to let's extend it until this point. Okay, now if we select this and we press MV, let's bring this a little up. Okay, we brought it up, and in a way we have locked this rectangle into this line, into our parametric line, and we are going to know that within a minute. For example, let's increase the height a little bit. Okay, now if we change the angle, to 65, for example, even that shape is gonna move. So check this out. Now we can use this rectangle to make anything, right? So yes, look at this. For example, the thickness, it can be 30 mm. Okay, or it can be anything else, whatever you want. So check this out, guys. This is our facade, and it kind of looks a bit dull, but you are gonna know what we can do with this conceptual mass. And let's open up another conceptual mass, and the size of that is 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters, if you guys remember. Let's quickly convert this back to 90, and the size is 1.5 by 1.5. For the materials, let's leave it white for the moment, or let's select this. And most of these facades are aluminum, right? Aluminum has a low density, and it is fire resistant, so it's a good material. Metal trim. Okay, blue. You want to go for blue? Let's make it more exciting. So load into the project, right? It automatically got loaded. Now in this case, let's go to UN, and let's change this to meters. Excuse me. Okay, 3, fine. It makes no. All right. Now the size of that is 1.5 by 1.5, right? So we have to make sure our lines are decimals of 3. Okay, so that we wouldn't have any extra facades. Excuse me. So now in this case, 22. Let's change this to 21, because 21 is a multiple of 3. In this case, excuse me, it's 12, so that's fine. Now let's select this and let's go to create from the right. So let's click on this top, and this is 10. No, we want them to be multiples of 3, so how about 30? Okay. Excuse me, 30. Fine, everything looks good. And now let's select this, let's select this, let's select this, and let's make our pattern. So 1 and 2 and 3, and let's convert this into rectangle. Our family is already loaded. Fixed distance, and fixed distance is, for this one, and you know, I want it to be 1.6 instead of 1.5. Why? Because I want there to be a very small distance in between. Apply. Okay, everything looks so good. Now let's just load in our families. Okay, 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 and check this out, guys. This is our facade. Look at how you know, I wouldn't say extremely nice, but it kind of looks a bit unusual. Anyways, you know, let's try to improve this. The first thing is the background. Let's excuse me, let's change this to this. Apply, and better already. Let's go to photography. Okay, let's leave that. Emission, let's change this to top left, and let's go to sketchy lines. Okay, let's go to shadows, enable both of them, and smooth. Okay, okay, and alright, yes, and much better. Let's go to hidden lines and check this out, guys. This is our facade. So you guys remember the angle, the parametric angle that we had set, right? Now we're going to make things a bit more interesting. Tap, we select one, we control select, 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 and you know, now you can play with it as much as you want once. And this is the angle, right? So this is the instance parameter. And 45, apply, and check this out, guys. So we have converted that into a 45. I mean, now you can play with it as much as you want. And I hope you you know, you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from it. I think I'm gonna end it, right? Because now the more time you spend on this, and the better it is gonna get. For example, 25. Does it look good? No, it does not look. 120 on the other side. Okay, so check this out. Now, I mean, you can play with it as much as you want once your overall shape is made. So tab and tab and tab, and to press Control to select multiple you know, these blocks, these aluminum blocks. And now let's go to what, to 45. Apply, and look, they are changing. So you can have as many variations as you want. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something from it, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more facade videos. And look at this. So you know, it looks good, right? You can change all of these angles, and it's even gonna look better. So have a good day, and bye bye.